Now, Keith, you were at Kayak, where I used to get good prices for travel. Can you tell me how similar these are, and why did you leave Kayak for the Zebra?
Well, I mean, conceptually, there's some huge similarities. There are surprising similarities between travel and insurance, but it's still the same consumer problem, trying to make it easier for consumers to compare what can be harder things to compare and find the right product for them at the right price. And I really switched. I joined Kayak when there were 8 of us, so saw it through from a startup to taking it public to being bought by Priceline. And I knew I kind of had one more shot in me, and had the opportunity to go to the Zebra, which was about 50 people, looked at the problem they were trying to solve in the market, and noticed some wonderful similarities where it was a giant market. Auto insurance in particular is a huge market, very fragmented, more fragmented than I thought. I don't think it surprises people. There's a lot of consumer dissatisfaction in the shopping process. And what really surprised me was there was nobody doing a good job in terms of making it easier for consumers to compare and shop for insurance. So that's why when some investors decided they wanted to invest and asked me to come along, I definitely decided it was worth the effort.
All right, so well, Keith, here's what I wonder. But sometimes I Google cheapest auto insurance. That's kind of how I do things. I mean, is that not the correct way to go about things?
I mean, it's going to be time consuming, and well, there's a couple things that could happen. You could wind up bouncing around from insurance supplier site to insurance supplier site, and it's going to take you a lot of time because you're going to have to enter your information in all of them, and you get one result back based on what that carrier has. Or even worse, you could wind up going to a lot of lead gen sites that are out there today, which is nothing more really than arbitrage. They buy you once, they sell you off 5 or 6 times. You probably get a lot of phone calls. So it's not the best way to do it. What we really do is we'll get your information. We'll get the rates back from our different insurance partners. We use some algorithms to show you the best results, and then we'll help you find out what you want and either send you off to the insurance carrier site to buy it, or we'll help you buy it ourselves. So we just try to make the thing so much easier for you to find what you're looking for.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.